Well, you were dissecting each. You were dissecting the music and the how the bass and the trebles and everything. So I want to hear what you said.
Oh well, this bass is a little. It sounds really darn good. It's a little bit. I think it's the equalizer here. There's a little bit of boost, like in the low, mid range. Still, it doesn't really have like the the bass you feel. Yeah, you feel in your belly. So, but it sounds great. I mean, for a car radio, it's fantastic. I think.
See, the pitch is really clear. I mean, it's the pitch sound it's not muddy.
It's actually pretty darn good, really. I used to be an audiophile, but that was a long time ago.
You used to be a what?
Audiophile, but that was a long time ago.
That's why I appreciate your opinion. You can word it, or you can verbally express what you hear. I mean, I hear it, but I cannot express it verbally about what. Audiophile has a different wording for different.
I'm listening to the attacks, the musical attacks, and the space between the notes as well, So a lot of the space has a little bit of sustain to it, but it's pretty darn clear. I like it.
And off the top of your head, can you compare it to the VIP, the basic versus the VIP? Is there any difference in sound quality that you can tell?
I think a little bit, but this one is just totally adequate. It's totally great. I mean, this would make me happy all day long. I think the VIP is a little sharper sounding, but it may be because we changed over here to 87.9 rather than.
No, I don't think that the station makes any difference. The difference that we did is we messed with the equalizers on the stock radio, where when you were before when you're using the VIP, it was a default setting, whatever the basic setting was. So now we boost the bass. And you can hear, I mean, the thumping is actually deeper, more solid.
Yeah, it certainly is. Really, to compare them, I'd have to A-B them. In other words...
You had to listen to it immediately from one to the other.
Switch one to the other, A-B, It's not really fair to compare like this, because this sounded great.